Fly in an open area. Push the battery in until it clicks. Fully unfold all 4 drone arms. Remove the camera cover. Long press the power button to turn on the drone. Place the drone on a flat surface. The gimbal will automatically perform a self-check. Take out and install the control sticks. Long press to turn on the controller. Wait about 30 seconds for automatic pairing. Drone lights indicate pairing is complete. Open the phone holder. For other phones, use the appropriate cable. Remove the cable from the controller if needed. Place the phone in the holder and connect the cable to the phone. Make sure the phone is charging and follow on-screen setup instructions. Open the Gleesfun Pro app. Grant all permission requests when prompted. Wait 2 seconds for the control interface to load. The drone will search for GPS after powering on. GPS is ready when the drone status light is solid green and the app shows green GPS signal. After turning off beginner mode, you can set max flight distance to 10,000 feet. Remove flight limits if needed, but read pop-up warnings carefully. Push the sticks to the 5 and 7 o'clock positions to unlock the motors. Push the left stick up to take off. Or use the one-key takeoff button in the app. Long press the GPS button for 3 seconds to turn off GPS and switch to attitude mode, indoor mode. Left stick controls drone altitude and rotation. Right stick controls drone movement. Short press the button to take a photo. Long press the button to start recording. Adjust the drone camera using the control dial. Switch between 3 speed modes using the toggle. Press the one-key return button. The drone will automatically return to the takeoff point.